Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, PC Error Fix. In today's video we will talk about how to fix you've been signed in with a temporary profile error in Windows 10 or Windows 11. This frequent error is encountered when the user account gets corrupted and won't start due to some sort of corruption, virus infection and others. So, here have a look at the solutions you need to try. Solution 1, delete profile from registry. Solution 2, sign in with a password instead of a PIN. Solution 3, perform SFC scan. Solution 4, update Windows. Solution 5, make a new user account. Now before starting with the detailed steps in this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Also ring the bell to get notified when another video lands. Solution 1, delete profile from registry. When the SID, security identifier, experiences a temporary profile issue, it displays the error notification. So, deleting the profile from registry will fix the corruption causing the error. Open the Run dialog box by pressing Windows plus or type CMD and click on OK. In the Windows command prompt type the below given command. Note, replace Tom with your username. Once you find the SID, close the command prompt. After that, you have to start fixing the registry settings. Now, press the Windows plus or keys to open the Run box and in the dialog box type regedit and click on OK. Then in the registry editor window, navigate to the below given registry subkey. Expand the profile list to see the SID keys for all the users on the system. After finding the SID of your affected account, click on that SID key, without .boc. You'll see the Profile Image Path entry in the right pane that points to a temporary profile as test. Right-click on the old SID key that is created as .boc, and then click on Delete. After finishing the above given steps, restart your computer. Solution 2, sign in with a password instead of a PIN. Many Windows users use the PIN to sign in, which leads to temporary profile error. Press the Windows key, go to Settings. Select the Account section. Click on the Sign In option. Select the PIN section and click on the Remove button. After disabling the PIN sign-in method, try to see if it helped in solving the error or not. Solution 3, perform SFC scan. Windows 10 temporary profile error appears due to corrupted or missing system files. Then performing the inbuilt SFC scan will fix it. Click on the Windows icon, type CMD, right-click on the search result and select Run as administrator. In the command prompt window, type the below command and press the Enter key. Wait for the scanning process to get completed and restart your PC. Solution 4, update Windows. Running the outdated Windows version may the error you've been signed in with a temporary profile. So, here it is suggested to check for the latest update available for your Windows system and install them. Press the Windows plus I keys to open Settings. Select the Update and Security section. Click on Windows Update and click on the Check for Updates button. If there are any new updates available, then they will get downloaded and installed automatically. Solution 5, make a new user account. You can try creating a new user account for accessing the files and the settings and get past the error. Press the Windows plus I keys to open Settings. Now click on Accounts and choose the Family and Other Users option. Then click on Add Account before Add Other User. And select I don't have this person's sign-in information. Then choose to add a user without a Microsoft account. Now type the username, password and password hint and click on the Next button. Press Windows plus I key to open Settings and click on Accounts. Then choose Family and Other Users again. Select the new account name and click on the Change Account Type. Under the account type, choose the Administrator option and click on OK. Then click C Drive and choose Users, then Old Account. Copy your content into the new account folder. So, these are fixes that work for you to solve you've been signed in with a temporary profile error. Let me know in the comments section below if the fixes directed works for you. Also do like and subscribe to our channel.